We are going to learn how to create a BIP report based on Excel data. So let's go to the navigator and let's go to the tools and reports and analytics, and this will take you to the landing page. From there you can click the browse catalog to reach the catalog page. Now I'm going to create a BIP report, so I'm hovering my mouse to the create icon and clicking the reports icon here under the publish reporting category. This is going to take few seconds, and post that is going to ask us where do you want to source from. Do you want to source from a data model or a subject area or an Excel template? So here I'm going to choose an Excel template. It's still loading. Yeah, if you see, this is the three sources it's asking for in order to create this report. I'm going to choose a upload a spreadsheet. Let me upload a sample spreadsheet. Once you uploaded, it will even give an option in case if you have multiple sheets, which sheet you would like to have the source. So if you see here, at present the sheet which I am working on, it has only one sheet. Let me just open the sheet for you. This has only one sheet. In case if you have multiple sheets, then here in this place you will be able to see multiple sheets in the list of values, so that you, once you choose the respective sheet where do you want to source your report from, you can make this selection here. So I am going to keep as guide me itself. Of course, in next set of videos we will be seeing how we can use a report editor mode also. So I'm going to click next. It's trying to read the data from the sample.xls file and it will try to bring all the columns whichever is there in that particular sample Excel book from the sheet 1. Now it's asking me what is the page option you would like to have. I'm going to choose landscape so that I will have a better area, and I'm going to keep everything as it is. Let's go for a tabular report. So I'm clicking next now after choosing the table layout. Now it will list me all the columns from Excel book in the left hand side under the data source panel. Let's wait until it's getting rendered. I'm going to click wait. So I'm going to drag and drop each and every column here into this. What are the columns you would like to show in your report? You can drag and drop them. As we have selected as tabular one, that's the reason as and when you drop it, the moment itself the previous showing the tabular data. Let's show the unit. I'm going to click next now. Now let's finish this report. By the time I click the finish, it's going to ask me where do you want to save this report. I'm going to save it under the the folders, which is nothing but it's still rendering. Yeah, I'm going to create it under this folder under the BIP report based on an Excel source. It's getting saved inside this BIP folder. Now it's going to show the output for you. Now if you see the column which we have selected, everything is being listed here. the order date. I will try to show you the sample data side by side comparison. If you see here, you can see the order date, region, report, region, REP, and then item. You can see the item also, followed by units, and then unit cost, and finally after the unit cost you will be able to see the total price. This how you will be able to see the complete data, and at the end you have the grand total also. If you have observed while doing the selection of these columns to the right hand side, there's a checkbox which is automatically checked, which is nothing but the totals. So for this particular column, which is nothing but the units, it has did the totals and it has brought the totals to us. So here you can click the export here to either you would like to see it in an interactive way, or as an PDF, or an HTML, as an RTF, or as an Excel or a PowerPoint. So whatever you choose, based on that the output will be visible for you.